Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ashman and welcome back again to WAKO Beauty YouTube channel, and you're watching what's new, what's hot at WAKOBEAUTY.com. How you guys doing? Is it good? Is it great? So for today's brand new video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn yourself into your favorite K-pop idol, which is Lisa Blackpink. I'm not very familiar in K-pop world, but I guess it's a challenge for me to turn myself into slightly kind of like her. I don't know, I have a vision in my head, but so before I start with my face, I'm just gonna show it to you guys how I dye my hair, because WAKO did send me this hair dye. I'm not gonna be like dumb or something by trying to pronounce this brand. I'm just gonna put it right here, you guys can Google it. So basically this brand featured all of Blackpink's members, and I chose this color. So this is the matte gold color. I did use this on my hair. You say you just dye your hair, but why it seems like nothing happened on your hair? To be completely honest, I have like a really dark hair. I did color my hair, but I'm not sure like what happened with this lighting right now. With the studio lighting, it doesn't show up on camera, but if I have a footage me under the sun, I will include it right here in front of you guys right now so that you guys can see color popping out on the real life. To be completely honest, I love how my hair turns out right now. This is like the perfect color for me. This is what I want. So this hair dye comes in a lot and varieties of colors. So inside the box you will get 7 items. The first one you will get solution 1. Second one in the bottle is a solution number 2. You will get the pump. Then number 3 is the solution secret magic oil, and then you will get the glove. You will get the cape so that your clothes or your like parts of your body won't mess up. And the last one, the hair pack, which is the conditioner for you to use in shower. Basically I mixed the solution number 1, number 2 and number 3 together into the solution number 2 bottles, and then I shake it up like 20 times. It says here like you have to shake it for 20 times, and then you just pump it. It comes in a foam type of foam, and then you just like, you know, like shampoo your hair. But at first I decided to leave it on for about like an hour. As I said, I have a dark hair, so I might need to leave this for a long period of time, but that's completely fine. I love how it turns out. It looks freaking amazing. So yeah, in case if you want to purchase this hair dye, you guys can get this at WAKOBEAUTY.com. Link will be here down here below. Go and check it out. So this is how I want to be. I'm not sure like the camera picks up or not, but the makeup looks so minimal, looks so fresh and glowy. So I did prep my skin off camera with a moisturizer. I used the Common Labs moisturizer. This is the Triple Vita Hydrating Facial Cream. This is one of the newest moisturizer that I have in my collection, and I absolutely love this moisturizer so much. So for primer today, I'm gonna be using this OMG Red MPR Glow. This is the moisturizer, primer plus repair. I love this. Whenever I want no makeup look, I love this primer. It comes in a pump like this. The texture is pretty like thick. I apply it all over my face, and what it does, it's gonna moisturize your skin, and also it's gonna make your makeup last longer. It's gonna give you the dewiness. My foundation today, I'm gonna be using something more like lightweight type of coverage, and I'm gonna be using this PERIPERA BB cushion. This looks like this. I used this in last month video, and I am in the shade Honey Beige. The products, this is how it looks like. Actually, to be completely honest, I lost the puff, so I don't think that I'm gonna use the puff today, but instead of using puff, I'm gonna use beauty sponge. I know what I like about this BB cushion. It does have SPF of 50, 3 PA pluses, which means it's gonna protect your skin from the sun damage. So not only it's gonna make you beautiful, but also it's gonna protect you from the sun damage. Slightly wider than my skin, but it's slightly gonna oxidize later. Yep, I don't care. And it's Korean type of makeup, so it's not a huge problem to go like slightly lighter than your skin, right? So this is how the foundation looks like on the skin. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna set with the powder. I'm not gonna set too much. I'm just gonna set my under eye because I do creasing. I'm gonna bronze out my skin with a Roman bronzer. If you notice with Korean makeup, they don't do like heavy bronzer, heavy contour, but I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit just to give some definition. So actually this bronzer comes with its own brush, but the brush is currently being washed, so it's kind of like damp. It's kind of like not dry yet. I'm just gonna use another brush. So I'm gonna do like a kissy face, and then contour. Don't forget about the jawline. I'm gonna contour my nose. So I did finish my face makeup off camera. This is how it looks like. Very rosy, very glowy, not like heavy type of face. And now let's move on to the eye, and I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. This one is from PERIPERA as well. This is the Lala Coral Flamingo palette. Really nice. It's like a cranberry blush type of tone. I'm gonna take this blush color and basically I'm just gonna apply it to my eye. And I'm not gonna apply much because, as I said, Korean is all about like minimal, like just like putting something on your eye, not like much. So I'm gonna take the shimmer shade here and I'm gonna put it right on the center of the eye, just to give like a pop of color. This is also gonna be like a 5-minute type of makeup look. Now let's move on to the exciting part. I am in a rush right now because it's raining. If you can hear like rain sound through this video, then please excuse me. Voiceover time. So for my lip color today, I'm gonna be using a lipstick from the brand called 3CE, and I am using in the shade 114. So before I like to apply my lipstick, I like to overline my lips with some lip liner, and look at how beautiful and creamy the lipstick is. It is so freaking good. So I think that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and in case if you guys are interested in all of these items, you guys can get it at WAKOBEAUTY.com, and link will be in the down bar below. Go and check it out. If you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure you guys to hit the like button down here below, and also if you have any questions to ask, definitely to sound off in the comment sections down below. And if you want more what's hot, what's new at WAKOBEAUTY.com, make sure you guys to hit the subscribe button down here below. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a brand new video. Remember, WAKO is your beauty best friend. Have a great day. Bye bye.